There you go there, guys.
So quick setup video for the TPMS system we sell, TPMS Aware. So this is for so when you're going to put on a head unit. So you're going to get a receiver with the USB plug. You might have a repeater. Don't worry about it for now because we're just going to do the quick setup for the car sensors. Well, you can screw them all on if you want as well, but we'll show it to do. So first up, you can just screw the sensors on. You can see them screwed on there. Then we're going to come into the car here and we're going to install the app. The sensors should already be paired to the receiver, so we should be all good there. Now what you want to do is you need internet here. So I've got a SIM card in here, so it's going to work, or you're going to have to go onto the Wi-Fi in here, so you have a hotspot to your house or your phone. If you have CarPlay or Android Auto up, this is going to interfere. So before the turn on the car, turn off your Bluetooth on your phone, and that'll stop the CarPlay or Android Auto popping up because that's going to drop out your internet. So okay, turn off your phone on Bluetooth, screw the sensors on, turn the car on, connect to internet like somehow. You can probably hotspot from your other phone or to the network nearby, or if you have a SIM card in the unit, you're going to have internet actually anyway. Click on the Play Store. It'll either be there or in the whole apps. So Play Store. It'll probably ask you to log in if you haven't logged in. It'll be a Gmail address. Majority of people have a Play Store login, even if they've never been into it. If you're an iPhone user, it'll be a Gmail address. Log into that, and then you're searching for TPMS Aware. Install that, and that'll download. So it's not downloaded. We're actually just going to go. We're not even going to open it. We're going to go and plug this in. So this needs to plug into. It's like a USB from the head unit. If they're running out of USBs, just like use one of our hubs. So that's why I always put the yellow USBs in the glove box or something, so I can easily get to them. Plug this in, go always open this and go okay. You can see Tyre Aware is now starting up. This here you can mount, you can put it in the glove box somewhere out of the way. Signals source, please choose a USB. And now you can see we're into here, and you should hopefully get some sensor readings pop up. If you don't, what you probably need to do is go and unscrew a sensor and screw it back on. We have it here all popped up, installed. The only issue we have is that was on bar, so we'll change that to PSI. And if you did have some like Caravan ones as well, you can turn those on as well. But that is basically just a quick setup and how you get it all happening.